Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace your camera glasses. You can see on right here, this one on your LG Stylo 4. All you need to remove the back cover first, and then you'll be able to remove the back glass. So just hit it up the sides. Okay, use knife, something deep to go on one of the sides. Go deep inside and then push it out and go all the way around. Cut the adhesive all the way around. Careful so you don't scratch you can use a card to go all the way around so you don't scratch your frame. I really don't care about this phone because I'm using for parts. So once you remove this stuff, here's your camera gloves. As you can see right here, all I do is just push it out, I click on it, I push on it, and it comes out on the other side. So I just lift it up pretty much, has some adhesive around, and then you can buy a new piece of camera glass on eBay, or I'll try to provide a link below if I can find one. And then you can stick back in, stick a new one in, and then glue your back glass back on the phone. It's really easy, it doesn't take lots of time, just take your time. Once you replace, be patient on everything, and here you go. Just like super easy to replace. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. And goodbye till you see in the next video. Bye bye.